this is Quick Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update a pool name in an iRule using the F5 Python SDK. Let's get started with step 1, loading the iRule we want to modify. Here's the iRule in the GUI, and notice the pool is set to pool 1. We will update this to be pool 2. Now back to the terminal. To load in the iRule, we will use the iRule load command. Now that we have loaded the iRule, it is time for step 2. Modify the contents of the iRule. To look at the contents of the iRule, the property we need to reference is API anonymous. If we output that property, you can see the contents of the iRule and notice the output is a string. Now that we know what property we need to update and what type it is, we can use the string replace function to update the pool. Outputting the updated API anonymous shows pool 2. Now that the API anonymous property is updated, we can push it back up to the F5 to finish our changes. Looking in the GUI again, we can see the new pool is being referenced. That will wrap it up for this video, and as always, thanks for watching.